no gold is not enough.
Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video we're in Southwest Florida, and right now, as you guys see, the shine is the sun just came out. Sun is shining into my window right now. It's early in the morning, 7 in the morning right now. As you guys can see, the sun just came out. I packed everything in my bags today because today we are going to be taking a road trip to Orion in Maryland. But yeah, let's just turn off the lights here. Packed all my bags already. Packed everything inside my bag, clothes and stuff. We'll be staying in Orion for a couple of days or so. We don't want to be wasting any electricity. Also got to lock our doors there. We don't want anybody getting into our house while we're not here. We'll be taking the Tesla today. Here we go. Tesla's about 82% charged. That should be enough to get to the next supercharger. But yeah, here we go. Or we could just supercharge it right now, and then that would probably be better. So yeah, so I know there's a supercharger at the star blocks over here. So let's get this Tesla supercharged. Charge this thing to 100%, and then head onto the road to Orion. So yeah, here we go. Tesla superchargers are right over here. Let's back this thing in. There we go. And let's charge this thing up. So starting to charge. There we go. 80%, 81% charge. This will take quite a while here. It shouldn't be too long though, as you guys see. We're at 83% charge. Yeah, so this shouldn't take too long. It's about 8:30 in the morning right now, as you guys can see. But yeah, let's see. My phone is fully charged, so that should be good. But yeah, what are we at? 88% charge. We're almost there. Might as well go in and grab myself a coffee. Alright, let's see. They got a burrito, some cake pops, coffee, frappuccinos. I think I'll grab myself an iced coffee though. Let's take a seat over here and drink a bit of coffee here. Pretty good, pretty good. This coffee is not bad at all. Right, there we go. Finished our coffee. Tesla should be done charging, I think. Let's go check that out. So is this thing done yet? Did it stop charging? Stopping charging. It should be, yeah, it's 100. There we go. There we go. So Tesla is now fully charged, so we are ready to head onto the road. Right over here. There we go. But yeah, should be it. I'll probably be using autopilot for part of the trip. Didn't get much sleep at night, but I don't think I could get sleep with autopilot, because autopilot you have to have your hands on the wheel sometimes. So I don't think I would be able to get any sleep on the Tesla here. But yeah, so it's saying here on the GPS that we're a couple hours away from the next supercharger, which is not too bad. There's some superchargers over there, but yeah, the next supercharger will be probably in a couple of hours. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, so we are not too far away from our next supercharger. Let's see here. Should be right over here. So here we go. So there's actually a lot of superchargers right here. Here we go. This supercharging station is actually way bigger than the last one. Let's pull our charger in. Pull the Tesla in. Let's charge this thing. 97, 98. Yeah, this should be pretty quick. And then we'll be heading back onto the road, headed to Orion. But there we go. It should be fully charged now. So yeah, I don't think we need any more superchargers on the way, because almost there to Orion here. But yeah, otherwise I'm gonna be driving now, and I'll see you guys once we reach Orion. Alright guys, we just arrived here in Orion. We arrived quite late at night here. Or actually, never mind, it's 4:31. It should become morning in a bit. My bad. But yeah, Orion's pretty nice. They got a park right here. I don't think I will be heading to the park. Yeah, I gotta head to the house, and then pack my stuff into the house, and then I'll probably check out the park tomorrow morning or so. But here we go. I actually really like Orion's roads. I like these back roads, they're nice. Pretty fun to drive too. Got a bridge right here. Pretty cool. Pretty fun driving in these back roads here. But let's continue heading down the road towards the houses. Should be down this road here if I'm not wrong. Here we go. Right, GPS is telling me to go this way. Hopefully they're not wrong. Here we go. Right, should be this right turn. It says we're like 7 minutes away from the house. I think it's this road right here. Here we go. Let's floor it. Alright, this thing is pretty quick. 130. We do not want to be going too quick here. Let's see. 140 is what we reach. Oh my gosh. But yeah, this is a rental car. I left my Tesla over there. Decided to rent out this BMW. This thing is pretty quick. Oh my gosh, almost missed a turn there. Turn off our lights. House should be back here. This should be my house right here. Let's back into the house. There we go. Let's park this stuff up front. What time is it? It is around 6:48. 6:50 now. But here we go. Grab our stuff out of the back here, and let's head into the house. Here we go. This house actually looks really nice. Really like the tiles on this thing. Let's head upstairs here. Got an empty room. Another empty room. Alright, yeah, this is all empty. Didn't pack my stuff in yet. But yeah, pretty nice kitchen. Pretty nice. Really nice kitchen here actually. Got ourselves those pretty nice stoves there. And a pretty decent TV. Pretty nice couch. Really like the white around the houses. Have ourselves a pretty big backyard. No fences though. Not bad. But yeah, let's pack my stuff into the room here. Let's put boxes down right here. There we go. Let's head downstairs and grab something to eat. I am hungry. Oh my gosh. Alright. Let's grab a water bottle, and let's grab let's see. Let's grab milk. There we go. Let's eat some cereal here. Let's make ourselves some cereal. There we go. Otherwise, right now, I think I'm gonna go check out the town right now. Let's head into the BMW. Also, if you guys are wondering what game, never mind, you guys probably know what game. This is Orion, but if you guys want to play this game, I'll leave a link to this game. Pin comment if you guys want to check it out. It's a pretty fun game. But yeah. So this town is pretty nice. We have some stores around and stuff like that. But yeah, pretty nice. Let's floor this thing. Alright, we're going pretty quick right now. 150. my gosh, we do not want to crash this rental. Alright, this thing is pretty fun to drive. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Let's take the back roads, because why not? Oh my. I almost crashed there. I did not know that's there's a road closure there. Actually, I think I want to go check out the park. I'm gonna have to hit a U-turn right here. I want to check out the beach and the park back there. Should be back here. Let's floor this thing once again. Shit, never mind. We might crash right here on the bridge. We do not want to crash this thing. Alright, we're going 140. Oh my gosh, almost scraped the door there. Alright, this thing is quick. Oh my gosh. Alright, so the beach and park should be this turn right over here. We passed it while heading to our house. Should be right over here, if I'm not wrong. Is this the park? Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the park. ORION State Park straight ahead. Alright. Park should be right over here. Alright, here we go. This is pretty nice. Alright, let's pretend that never happened. My bad. Seems we have a basketball court. Another court over there. We have some picnic tables, some bathrooms, or restroom. Yeah, some bathrooms back there. And we have the beach right over here. Let's actually take this BMW off-roading. Let's climb this curb right here. There we go. Pretty nice beach right here. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Oh my. It's pretty bumpy. Let's take the BMW out here. Hopefully this thing does not fall in the water. What am I doing? Why am I taking this rental onto the dock? This is a nice photo. Oh my gosh, I almost pushed this thing into the... Alright, this is a bad idea. Let's back up out of here now. Yeah, but yeah, this would be a pretty nice photo here. Oh my gosh, please do not fall in. Why did I even do this? That was such a bad idea. Alright, there we go. We made it off pretty nicely there. Alright, let's floor this meter. Let's see how fast this thing goes. Top speed. Alright, we cannot hit top speed there. Let's try it again. Here we go. Hopefully we can reach top speed without crashing here. I don't know what I'm doing with this rental here. Let's floor this thing, see how fast we could get it to go. Alright, 170, 180. Oh my gosh. I just crashed into the water there. Right, we got out. Let's take this thing back. We don't want to be messing with this thing anymore here. But yeah, that's probably pretty much it for ORION, guys. I'll probably be heading back to the house, checking out the town a bit more. Otherwise, that would probably conclude the video, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload, and I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.